Hi everybody, thank you for pressing play on the video today. It's Caroline here from craftycarolinecreates.com. I have a super quick and easy project for you today to show you how you can make something quite simple look really special. As you maybe know if you've watched me for a long time, every month I send out a thank you gift to all of my customers. So everybody that shopped with me in January received a thank you gift from me in early February, and everybody received this gorgeous heart happiness stamp set, because we are in celebration, so Stampin' Up are being very generous with the rewards. So everybody got a brand new copy of this stamp set, and they also got another little something. And normally I send out a little bit crafting, but I did something a little bit different this month because I am absolutely obsessed with the Rituals brand. I'm not being sponsored, no, not paying me to do this. I spend a lot of my money on this product. I think they just smell amazing, the quality is fantastic, and of course they have absolutely gorgeous packaging. So when I was last in there and I found they had these little cute hand creams, I thought they would be great to send out as something a little bit different as a customer thank you gift. But of course I couldn't send them out looking like this. So this is today's project. These really cute little sleeves that go around these little hand cream tubes. These are, does it tell me how much is in one? 20 mils. So they're not huge, they're great handbag size, but don't they just look pretty all dressed up? And I think, you know, this DSP really helps. This is the most gorgeous DSP ever. I think Stampin' Up have excelled themselves with DSP in the new catalogue. And of course this ribbon is also really gorgeous too. So I'm going to show you exactly how I made it, because they are really simple, but they just look so smart. Hopefully they survived the post. I'm a little bit worried that they might get a bit battered in the post, but hopefully if they did, you can see how perfect they looked, just like this. So I think these would also, you know, they'd sell really well at craft fairs. They just look fab. Table favours, if you're doing a bridal shower or a baby shower, I just think they're lovely. And the products inside are really lovely as well. I hope you really enjoy them if you get one. So let me show you what we do. And the good thing about this is you can get masses from a pack of DSP. You need to start with a piece that measures 1.5 inches by 9 inches, so not particularly long. It's beautiful, isn't it? Really beautiful. And a little bit of scoring. Not very much, but a little bit. Oh, it's a while since that's happened, hasn't it? Let's pick the camera up. We are going to score this along the long side, obviously, at 1 inch, 4.5 inches, and 5.5 inches. So if you're making a lot of them, you can cut your DSP to 9 inches, but leave it 12 inches this dimension. Do all your scoring and then cut it off. Makes it really quick. And we all like quick, don't we? Well, sometimes we like quick. Right. Ooh. Now we're just going to fold and burnish those score lines. There we go. Okay. And you can see already how that's just going to fold up to make that lovely little tent. So here is my hand cream. So I'm just going to pop that in and fold around it, you see. And then I just want to make a little hole. So I have my, this is a 1/8 of an inch hole punch. I'm just going to punch it in sort of the middle of that flap, like that. It's not bad for doing it by eye, is it? And then I have this gorgeous ribbon, which I am also really loving. It's a berry burst metallic edged ribbon. We also do have a white one which has a silver edge and a berry vanilla that has a gold edge, which also works really well, as you can see. But I love this one. And all I'm going to do is feed that through the hole here. Up. If I can grab hold of it. There we go. Pull that a little bit taut. I'm just going to wrap that round underneath and tie it off in a flat knot because I can't do bows. Oh, if I can grab hold of it. Oh, my nails aren't working very well today. There we go. Pull that off in a flat knot. Voila. Just going to snip and snip like that. We got it, there we go. And super quick, super pretty little wrapped hand cream containers. Quickest video ever, but you can see how pretty they are. I did think about a little stamped sentiment, but I just thought the DSP is so pretty, it does all of the work for you. So that's it. If you would like to know anything about Stampin' Up, if you would like to know how to shop, or how to be a demonstrator, how to get discount, how to get lots of freebies at the moment, do pop over to craftycarolinecreates.com, get in touch, and it will be my pleasure to help. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.